When I was lost, you found my way. In the dark, you brought the day. Every tear you wiped away. Jesus, you never fail. You're my hope when hope is gone. You're my strength to carry on. You never fail, you never lie. Faithful God, forever mine. Through the storm.
Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, Big JohnAb. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make any of your image to sing, just like the kind of video you watched at the beginning of this video. And also, if you don't have your music, I'm going to be showing you how to create a music from scratch using AI. And guess what? It is all absolutely free with no skill needed. All you need to do is to pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. You know, I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so for you to do this, the first thing that you need to do is to get your music ready. Okay, you can get your music from maybe any trending music from TikTok or any music that you like. And if you have a music already, no big deal. If you are the one that want to get your music from TikTok, after you download your TikTok, after you download the TikTok video, you just have to go ahead, head over to Play Store. Okay, go ahead and install any of this MP4 converter. Okay, with this, after you download the trending music video from TikTok, you can upload it here and then convert it to just music for you to just extract only the music. But for me, I'm going to be creating my own music myself using AI, and this is how I'm going to be doing it. For example, let me say I want a gospel music. So what you need to do is to come to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to actually help you to write a music lyrics. Okay, and this is how I'm going to do it. Okay, so see what I did. I say I want to generate a music from Suno AI. This is from Suno AI. From Suno AI, help me write a gospel music lyrics of up to 1 minute and hit OK. And then boom, here is our music lyrics. Okay. So what I need to do now is to copy this particular lyrics and head over to my Suno AI to generate my music. Okay, so come to Chrome and search for Suno AI. Suno AI, hit OK. And then this particular first link, suno.com. So here we are on Suno AI interface. As a new beginner, they are going to ask us to create an account with them. For me, I've already have an account, so I just log in. Okay, so what you need to do now is to go ahead and click this icon, this middle icon, to create your music. All right, as you can see, so if you click it, it's going to bring you here. So select the type of music, the inspiration. So for me, it's a gospel music. Okay, I just select a gospel music, and then I'll just have to go ahead, impute my lyrics. Okay, click these lyrics and then go ahead and impute your lyrics. The lyrics that we just got from ChatGPT, go ahead and impute it. So I'm going to remove this particular title. All right, go ahead and click create. Okay, as you can see, so our music is being created. Let's watch and see the magic from Suno AI. Alright, so our music is ready. Now, as you can see, Suno AI gave us multiple options that we can select from. As you can see, look at it, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have 4 music that we can select from. This one here are those that I did before. So now let me play the music so that you see what we got.
I was lost, you found my way. In the dark, you brought the day. Every tear you wiped away. Jesus, you never fail. You're my hope when hope.
All right, so the music is very okay. This is what we want. We got it right. I just have to stop it there. Let me show you the second one.
When I was lost, you found my way. In the dark, you brought the day. Every tear you wiped away. Jesus, you never fail. You're my hope when hope is gone. You're my strength to carry on.
All right, so this is good. This is nice. So this is the one I'm going to be using because the first one is a preview. Okay, that the two first is preview. I cannot download that one, so I'm going to be downloading this one. So all you need to do now is to go ahead and download the music. You just click these three dots and then you are going to see download, right? Go ahead and click the download. As you can see, MP3 audio, WAV audio, or video. Okay, the video, that one is pro. Okay, you need to pay before you have access to that one. So I'll just have to go ahead and use MP3 audio. And then you are going to see download anyway. You see, need commercial rights. Free Pro and Premium song are eligible for commercial use. Yes, they are trying to tell you that if you want to use this music for commercial use, make sure you pay for the pro version. So I'll just have to go ahead and click download anyway. And this is how I was able to generate all my image. Okay, I use Google Nano Banana Pro to get my image generated because I have the 1 year Gemini Pro plan, as you can see. So every month they give me 1000 AI credit. Okay, I've generated a lot of videos, that's why it's remaining small. And if you are interested in getting the 1 year Gemini Pro plan, I highly recommend you to check the description of this video and reach out to me on WhatsApp. All right, so now that we have generated our image, the next thing that we need to do is to go ahead and create our music video. Okay, and for you to create your music video, you need a lip sync AI, and for us to do that, just come here. All right, so now that you have created your image, the next thing to do is to go ahead and create your music video. For you to do that, come here to your Chrome and search for lip sync video. Okay, this particular website, lip sync video, go ahead and click it. So as a new beginner, they are going to ask you to create an account. Okay, for now I'm going to be logging in with my Google account. Right, so I just signed in my account. Okay, so now the next thing that you need to do is to go ahead and click this hamburger icon, as you can see. So if you click it, you are going to see lip sync tool and AI video tools and also AI image tools. Okay, go ahead and click this lip sync tools. Okay, if you click the lip sync tool, you are going to see a whole lot of lip sync here. As you can see, AI lip sync, talking photo, talking avatar, talking cartoon, blah blah blah. You see a whole lot, and even AI baby podcast. But the one that we are going to be using is this singing photo. Go ahead and click it. Okay, as you can see, if you look very well, you're going to see AI singing photo generator. Okay, so now the next thing that you need to do is to go ahead and upload your photo. That is the photo that you want to make sing. Okay, and then go ahead and select your aspect ratio. For me, I'm going to choose 16 ratio. Now, and if you look very well, the aspect ratio is here. Okay, select the aspect ratio. Okay, after you select the aspect ratio, go ahead and bring in the photo that you want to make sing. For me, I'm going to be choosing this particular one. Hit OK. All right, so after that, go ahead and select the model. Okay, if you look, for me, I'm going to be using this singing photo 2.0. Okay, next is to go ahead and upload the music. Okay, remember we just generated a music from Suno AI. All right, and if you have your own music, you don't need to panic. You have to go ahead and bring in the music. But you need to remember something. You cannot upload audio more than 30 seconds. Okay, and because of that, we need to trim the audio. So we are going to be using this particular app. Go ahead and install it from Play Store. Okay, we are going to be using it to trim our audio. That is, if the music that is generated or you have is longer than 30 seconds, which is definitely going to be longer than 30 seconds, you just have to go ahead and use this particular application to cut it. Just trim it to 30 seconds. All right, so that is what I did. So now I've cut my audio using the same application that I just showed you. So all I need to do now is to go ahead and bring in the audio that I just cut, the 30-second audio that I just cut. Go ahead and bring it in. Okay, as you can see, I named them cut 1, cut 2, and cut 3. So I'm going to go ahead and bring in the first cut. Alright, so I just bring in my audio. So the next thing to do is to go ahead and click generate. As you can see, it's going to cost me 120 AI credit, and every day this AI website gives you 300 AI credit. All right, as long as you log in every day, they are going to be giving you 300 AI credit. So even though if you are not using it, just make sure you are logging in so that you'll be able to be claiming your 300 AI credit for absolutely free. So I'll just have to go ahead and click generate. All right, you can always check this migration to see the progress of your work. All right, so our video has been generated. As you can see, look at it. Okay, look at it. All right, so now let me play it for you so that you see what we got.
When I was lost, you found my way. In the dark, you brought the day.
All right, guys, the video is top notch. Like, it's very okay. It is very nice. Okay, this is what we want, and we got it right. So now, for you to download your video, you just have to long press, and you are going to see download, and then go ahead and click the download, and your video will be downloaded into your gallery successfully. You may ask, this particular video is short. Okay, yes, that is why we cut our audio part by part. So now for you to continue, you just need to bring in the remaining audio on the same picture, and this is how to do it. Come back here to your singing photo. Okay, choose your aspect ratio again, bring in the image. I can choose the same image, or if I want to change the scene, I can choose another image. Okay, for me, let me say I want to use the same scene, and then I'll go ahead, use the second one again, the model singing photo 2, and then I'll have to go ahead and bring in the audio. Remember, I cut the audio part by part. This is the first one. This cut 1 is the one that I first used. So the second one now is now the cut 2, which is from 30 seconds to 1 minute. So that's what I did. So I'll bring it in. So after you bring in your audio, go ahead and hit OK. Remember, this audio starts from where the first one stopped. Okay, so that is how I cut the audio. Okay, go ahead and hit OK. All right, so the second video has been generated, and let me show you what we got.
Every tear you wiped away, Jesus, you never fail. You're my hope when hope is gone. You're my strength to carry on. You never fail.
Guys, the video is top notch. I just like how realistic the video is, and the lip sync, everything just go perfectly. Okay, guys, this is cool. This is nice. Like, it looks just so realistic. Like, everything is just moving so well. I love it, guys. This is cool. This is nice. This is what we want, and we got it right. All right, so let me show you another AI tool that you can use to make your photo to sing just like this, and it's also almost free, just like this. So this is the next tool, one.video. Go ahead and click it, and then go ahead and sign up using your Google account. So if you log into your 1.2, I'll always advise you to use a desktop mode if you are accessing it from your mobile phone. But if you are accessing it from your PC, you don't need to do that. Okay, So change it to desktop mode because there are some things that you are not going to have access to it if you are using the mobile mode. Just zoom in and scroll down and you are going to see this particular icon. Go ahead and click it. If you click it, you are going to see video, image and avatar. Go ahead and click this avatar. And then if you click the avatar, you are going to see speech to video. Okay, you are going to see character and audio. So you just have to go ahead and upload your character. That is the image that you want to make sing, and also audio, that is your music. So go ahead and upload the two. But remember, one video is just 15 seconds, unlike the lip sync video that is 30 seconds. So one is going to help me to trim my audio to 15 seconds. So what I need to do is to go ahead and click confirm. So as you can see, our video is being generated. It's currently on queue. The downside about one is the fact that it does take much time. So let's watch and see the magic from one. All right, so our video has been generated. Okay, so now let me play the video so that we see what one got for us. Okay. Alright, so the video is not actually bad. The video is looking very good, very okay. Just that the watermark there, until you upgrade to VIP account before you be able to remove the watermark. Okay, the video is very nice. This is what we want. We got it right. For you to download, you are going to see this. Just reduce the zoom and you are going to see this drop down arrow here. You see, you are going to see download with watermark. Go ahead and download with watermark. If you click the download without watermark, you'll be asked to pay. Okay, so and the video is going to be downloaded into your gallery successfully. All right, a quick one. If you're interested in learning everything about AI, if you want to learn how to create any type of realistic AI video, how to create a responsive website using AI, how to build a landing page using AI, prompt engineering, how to create any type of design using AI, then I highly recommend you to check the description of this video. You are going to locate our academic link. Join our academy to learn everything today. So this is basically how to create your music and also how to make any of your photo to sing. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you're watching from YouTube, and don't forget to follow this account. If you're watching from Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, I'm Big JohnAb as per your friend. Hand to head, salute, bye.